Interclean Amsterdam is the biggest trade show in the cleaning industry, and we want to be the best #1 software provider in the cleaning industry, so we have to be there.
The future of management and mobility is definitely in the digital area. Everybody's going to the digital cloud, and we are the forerunners of this. We've been already 20 years on the market.
I think the future is changing. We will get more autonomous machines in the future.
I can see that these days more the robotic systems are coming more and more up, and I think that will be one of the main futures.
We offer the possibility for the supervisors to control them better, but also the possibility for the workers to achieve much better solutions. Amsterdam is a good place, and we'll be definitely coming in 2 years again to get new customers here.